This is the second year we've had this digital thermometer, and today I'll show you how easy it is to use, especially if you're making a turkey for Thanksgiving. You can see the LCD display is nice and big, so all the numbers can be easily read. To set the target temperature for the turkey, we're pressing the up arrow button to 165 Fahrenheit. The probe is nice and long, and it's made of stainless steel, so it will be easy to clean afterwards. We'll go ahead and stick it into the turkey and see how the probe temperature on the top left changes. We'll go ahead and reinsert this into the thickest part of the turkey breast, and we're also checking to make sure that it doesn't touch any bone. Now we'll stick the turkey back into the oven with some tin foil on top so the skin doesn't burn. And we'll stick the display onto the front of the stove like this. There's a built-in magnet at the back of the display so it will stay in place. The cable is also thin enough that it fits perfectly between the oven and the door. When the target temperature is reached, you'll hear the alarm go off and the light on the display will come on. And here's our cooked turkey. We can easily and quickly remove the probe, but make sure you don't handle the probe with your bare hands. You'll want to use a towel or thick napkin so you don't burn your fingers while extracting the probe. And let's go ahead and check this turkey. We've slit open the middle and you can see it's perfectly cooked. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all!